Hi friends, this is ExcelGuru and here is the question I asked in the group. Okay, so I will do one thing. I will make it small. Okay, I'll make it small. See, now as per team leaders, there is a team members like this. So you have to extract those team members in this way, in the row wise. If I change C, if I change here A to D, automatically see the team members D. See, if I change to F, see. So what I'll do, I add another team member who joined recently. That is okay. We'll do like this: XYZ F. See, got my point. And not only that, I will do conditional format for this to understand better. And if you are having any doubt, ask me in the comment box. Here is the solution I am going to show you. First of all, we have to get these values into the formula. How you will do? Simple way to do that is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP of this. Okay, I lock this because I have to drag the formula, and here is the data. There is the data F4, 2, 0. Okay, we got the solution now. What will happen? It will give all the names as per this team leader. Okay, if I change F2, it will give B team leaders. If I change B to A, it will give A team leaders, team members of the A team leader. Now, coming to the formula now. Now, what I'll do, I will use a substitute function to replace a space. See how I'll do here. Substitute of what is the delimiter it is having, comma and ampersand. Okay, that's it over there in the text, comma, old text. What will be the old text, comma, and what will be the new text? That is, I am adding a space for 255 times. There is no instance, right? So here it is the logic, F9. So it will show all the names because I am using 255 spaces. For that it is not showing us trim of this F9. See, with space it has given. Okay, now again I will show you F9. See, without a comma, we have replaced the comma with a space of 255, and I used the trim over here to rid of extra spaces. Now here what I'll do here, mid of this whole text, comma, the starting number will be 1 into 255. Okay, from starting 1 to 255. So it has to take 1 to 255, comma, 255 characters. It has to take from first to 255 characters, still 255 characters. Right. And again, I'll go close the parenthesis. Now I'll press F9. See, it has given name 1. When I change this to 2, it will give the name 2. Right, I'll suspend this formula for a while to show you the better. I'll change E. Name 12 is there. F2. Coming back to the formula, F9. It will pick up the second name for the E team leader, that is name 13. But how you will drag this formula in a row wise? This is the concept I asked. Okay, if we change, it will pick up those numbers, those team members' names. But we have to make it to in a row wise. So what you will do here, instead of doing all those things, first of all, what I'll do, I logged everywhere, right? Okay. Control enter. See what I'll do. F2. In place of 1, 2. In place of 2, I'll mention 3. In place of 1, again I'll place 4. If you're having more than 50 names like this, how much time it will take to do like this? So I found one trick for this. Use rows function. Rows of $3 colon E3. That's it. What it will do, it will show us the row number, that is 1. Okay, I'll enter this formula, and here I will show you is equal to rows of $3 colon G3. Now what will happen if I drag this formula? It will become 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So this concept I used over in a formula, and I drag this formula over here. That's it. Name for E 12, 13, 14. If I use F, D, see 8, 9, 10, 11. If I use A, see, and I want to add a new member who came new joining, and his name was something Mr. Excel. Okay, just I'll press enter. See, automatically it will display over here. And now I will show you how to do with the what you'll say conditional format for this. I'll copy this one and I'll paste over here, and I'll delete this one just to show you the conditional format for this is equal to this. I'm locking everywhere. Okay, F4 equal to this, and locking only the column but not the row. Enter. For conditional format, I'm showing you. Just copy this formula from here. Control C, escape, go to this, Alt HLN. Come to here, paste it, format. Fill with the purple, font will be the bold, and here will be the white. And I press OK, it will look like this, then OK. Whenever I change this name from here, automatically it will also change over here. See this. So that easily you can understand that is it right or wrong. And signing off, Rajinikanth, ExcelGuru. Have a nice day.